Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Wildflower Chick. This is part of the exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members. And this painting that I did today is inspired by one of my Patreon members' photograph that they sent in. I have a benefit for them where every now and again I put out a call for photos. They'll submit them. I pick some to turn into tutorials, and as a thank you I will send the original off to whoever submitted it. So this is going off to Gail Durant, and I hope she enjoys her painting. If you'd like to watch the full-length version of this tutorial, or learn how you could submit your photos to me, or learn more about the Patreon membership program, because there's a bunch of additional benefits that you could use that will help to increase your artistic and your painting skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. That is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself an adorable little wild chick, and I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.